Hi everyone and welcome to this month's Zbox unboxing, or as the Americans like to say, Zbox. This month's box is Batman. I'm Batman. So let's see what we got. First off we have Wonder Woman! A Kawaii cubes from Wish Factory, Series 1. This is Wonder Woman. No, that's a cape. Seems to have a bat cape or a wicked mullet. Can't tell if that's a mullet or a cape. Can't remember Wonder Woman having a cape, but that's cool. That's a little plushy thing. Kawaii Cubes, reimagine all of your favourite characters in all new cubed form. The cube shape is perfect for stacking and displaying your collection. You can see that? All different ones. It's the same shape as my head. Next we have the t-shirt. Oh, I like that. Nice design. Wayne Manor t-shirt. It's quite cool. It's have massive labels in these. So. Yes. Nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, cool. It's an Batman and Robin jigsaw puzzle in a tin. 150 piece jigsaw puzzle. I'm expecting it must be that big, the pieces. Let's have a look, shall we? They are tiny little pieces. Tidy! I'm going to enjoy making that. That's really rather cool, actually. Never seen one of them before. Good. Next up we have something close to my heart. A pack of playing cards with the Bat logo on. They are bizarre shaped cards. That logo on the back. More plastic. Sass and Fracet. They're hermetically sealed. Cards are sealed for your safety. You will not catch a venereal disease from these cards. They look like they're going to be made literally of card. Wonderful, wonderful cunning. The suits are nice. Quite stylised. And then, so basically they're just, there's nothing special about them, but you do get a Joker. Seems, if that's the only Joker, it seems to have missed quite a big thing there, really. You know, out of all the cards in the world, I would have thought a set of Batman cards would have made more of the Joker than that. So let's make sure I haven't missed it. Really? Bizarre. So the tin's nice, but the cards are crap. As I say though, the tin is great. Cool. Build your own 3D puzzle. Build your own Batmobile. So, build your own Batmobile. And that's it, and inside you've got the same pictures on the t-shirt. And
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight?
forgot about the all-important book. Now this is what you'd expect a Joker to look like in a pack of cards, wouldn't you? You know, something a bit funkier, a bit more to do with Batman, for instance. But next month's is Marvel, so I might stay subscribed for that. Hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!